Hello students, and welcome to yet another math class for Standard 4. Today we begin a new topic, Lesson 9, Word Problems, Addition and Subtraction. Today we will concentrate mainly on addition. We will do all addition problems. Now remember these three questions when you're solving word problems. Ask yourself these three questions. Number one, what is the information that is already given in the question? Number two, what is the information that is being asked in the question? And number three, which method should I use to get the answer? I'll repeat. Number one, what information is already given in the question? The second question you will ask yourself is, what information is asked in the question? And number three, which method should we use while solving word problems? Now, like I already said in the beginning, we will be concentrating mainly on addition sums. So this method, which method should we use, is as of now only addition. But later on, we will be doing subtraction, multiplication and division. That is when you really ask yourself, after you have read the question, you will ask yourself, which method should we use? Okay. Now, let's take an example. This is just for your information. I'm not going to give you the solution to this because it's very easy. Let's say that Sachin and Virat are playing for Mumbai Indians and they are playing a T20 match. Sachin scored 83 runs and Virat Kohli scored 77 runs. What is the total number of runs scored? Now, what information is already given? They've already given us Sachin's score and they've given us Virat's score. So, and now what do they want out of this? They want to know what is the total runs both of them scored for their team. Now which method we will use for this? Simple, like I already told you all, it's only addition. So we'll be concentrating only on addition. So what we are going to do is we'll ask ourselves three questions once again. What information is given in the question? What information do they want from us? And which method will we use to get the information that they want? Okay, so you can, this you will do very fast, I know for sure. 83 plus 77 is 160. Okay, now let's go to an example. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you three examples. I want you to go through these three examples in the video. Then you will copy the sums and try and solve the sums by yourself. Remember three questions you're going to ask. What information is given? What information is asked? You are going to use only addition this time. So the method, you don't need to figure out which method is used. Okay, let's see. It's only on addition. So which method you'll use? Addition. Okay. Aunt Uma bought 5 kilograms of dal for rupees 345 and 20 kilograms of rice for rupees 789. How much money did Aunt Uma spend? Three questions to be asked. What is the information given? We got cost of dal 345. We got cost of rice 789. What do they want to know? They want to know how much Auntie Uma spent. They want to know the total. Which method will we use? Addition. Now let's add these two numbers, 345 plus 789. Don't forget to put the addition sign. In the first term, we wrote TH, TTH, TH, HTU. I'm not going to write this now because I'm sure you're used to it. Okay, so let's find the total for these two numbers. Keep the bigger number in your head, 9. Keep the smaller number on your fingers. 9 and 5 is 14. Now, I cannot write 14 in one place over here. So I'm going to carry over 14. Sorry, I'm going to carry over tens, 1 to the tens place. and I'm going to write 4 in the units place. Now, once again, I'm going to add the three numbers in line. That's 1, 4, and 8. So, 8, bigger number in your head, 8, smaller numbers on your fingers, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Once again, I cannot write 13 in the tens place, so I'll carry over 1 to the hundreds place, and I'll write 3 in the tens place. Now add these numbers once again, 7 plus 3 plus 1, that's 7 and 3, 10, 10 and 1, 11. Here I can write 11 together. Okay, so that means Aunt Uma spent rupees 1134 in all. Go through this sum, copy the question, and then you will solve it by yourself in your notebook. Don't copy the answer. Okay, we'll go to the next sum. The cost of a refrigerator, which is a fridge, I'm sure you know the refrigerator is also called a fridge. The cost of a refrigerator is rupees 13,750, and the cost of a cupboard is rupees 8,999. How much must we pay the shopkeeper to buy them both? Now, what information is given? The cost of the refrigerator is 13,750, and the cost of the cupboard rupees 8,999. What do they want to know? They want to know the total money we would give the shopkeeper. Which method we'll use? Addition. So let's solve these. Let's add these two numbers now. 13,750 plus 8,999. Don't forget to put the addition sign. Let's get the total. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 5, keep the bigger number in your head. 9 plus 5 is 14. So we'll write the tens place number on top of 14, and we'll write the units place number below here. That's 1 and 414. Let's add these numbers now, 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Once again, we'll write 1 on top, and we'll write 7 down here. Now let's add these numbers in line. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Once again, we'll carry over 1 and 2 over here in the thousands place, and we'll add 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means if I want to buy the fridge, the refrigerator, and the cupboard, I have to pay the shopkeeper rupees 22,749. Let's go to the third sum. Now boys, be careful. Earlier we were adding only two numbers. Now we are going to add three numbers. If 1,310 children, 1,505 women, and 790 men came to watch the circus, how many people came to watch the circus altogether? Now, what information is given? They have given us information: number of children, 1,310, number of women, 1,505, number of men, 790. What do they want to know? They want to know the total number of people at the circus. So we're going to, the method we'll use is addition. I'm not putting it down here. 1,310 plus 1,505. Now be careful where you're going to write 790. It will come under the 7 will come under the hundreds place, not under 1 but under 5. So 790. Don't forget to put the addition sign. Let's get the total. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. We'll carry over 1 over here and 0 down here in the units place. Now let's add these numbers, 4 numbers. There's 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 and 7 is, if you count, you should get 16. Once again, we'll write the units, the tens place number over here and the units place number down here, 16. Now let's add these three numbers one below the other. That's 1, 2 and 3. 3,605. So that means a total of 3,605 people went to watch the circus. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to go through this video at least twice or thrice. You will then copy only the questions in your notebook. You will attempt to solve the answers by yourselves without looking at the video. Then you can check your answers with the video. If you have made any mistake, see where you have made the mistake. Otherwise, you will go to the worksheet that is sent to you and you will solve the 4 sums that are given in those worksheets, that is given in that worksheet. Okay, this is term 2, worksheet number 1. All the best. Stay safe. Don't forget to wear your mask when you go out. Bye bye.